Operating run capacitance can be utilized on a maintenance check very easily. You have the opportunity to be able to disconnect the capacitor, discharge it, and use your microfarad reading on your volt ohm meter, and that will work fine. If you want to find out exactly how it works under a load, try using this formula. The operating run capacitance is going to check it while the system is actually running. You don't have to disconnect everything, don't have to shut anything down. So after you did your maintenance and the condenser is wet, while that condenser is drying out, check the operation of the capacitor that way. You're going to take the amperage and you're going to check the amperage on the start winding that's coming from the capacitor to the start winding of the compressor. Get a good accurate reading there. In this particular case, we're going to call that 4.1 amps across the start winding. You measure your voltage across the Herm and common of your capacitor, and that back EMF is going to be higher than that 240 volts being sent in there. So let's call it 271 volts that we measured across the run capacitor. When we do that, it gives you your operating capacitance of 40.09. So if this is a 40 microfarad capacitor, it's working exactly the way you want to do it. Now remember, there's a tolerance on these capacitors. If you look at the capacitor, it might be 5%, 10%, something like that has a tolerance. If I had 10% of 40, that would be 4, so that capacitor would be good if it was producing 36 all the way up to 44 microfarads. Hope that helps.